Hi, I'm Chef Akitoli Jimomi. I run the restaurant called Ethnic Table at Notun Bosti, Dimapur. So this Ethnic Table was opened in 2014, and for the past 12 years, we've been running this restaurant. So today I'm here in the spotlight. I've been asked to make a dish with a very mysterious ingredient that they're going to give me. So let's see what the ingredient is going to be and how it's going to go on.
Welcome to the Mystery Ingredient Challenge, Chef Akitoli. Chef, today we want you to pick up this mystery wild ingredient that we have for you, and we want you to create something unforgettable for us using your signature touch and creativity. So there was no planning, no hints given to Chef Akitoli. So let the Wild Food Challenge begin.
All right, so this is the ingredient. Let's see what it's going to be. Okay, this is sour stingless bee honey. So I've always had honey, but then not the sour. This is going to be my first time trying it, and it's going to be my first time cooking with it. So let's see what I can make with this. I just hope everything comes out well. Come, let's go to the kitchen and see what we can make with the mysterious ingredient I got. So I was thinking about a dish, but it's a sour honey, so that I've scraped it off. But I'm thinking maybe I'll do a hot sauce with the sour honey. So with the Raja Mircha and the sour honey will complement really well with a meat dish, and also maybe it'll go really well with a pork. So let's get cooking, and then maybe we'll prep the ingredients now and we'll start cooking. Alright, so here we have the finished product, a pork belly braised with the sour honey. So let me just have a taste and see how it all came out. Sorry, wow. I mean, it's my own cooking, but wow. I really love the tang that is coming into the meat. The honey really elevates the whole ingredient, and this go really well with hot rice, chutney, and green vegetable on the side.